Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here. So today we are going to start working on reports. So we are going to need this paper. For whatever reason, Mrs. Hanson's printed out the wrong way. Mrs. Hanson has to get that figured out. But we are going to use this paper which says reports, a report. So a report is something, it's like an informational writing. You know how like we have our informational text where we get to learn new things that are true. So that's the same thing about a report. A report gives you information or facts about someone, something, or someplace. Okay? So, for example, we have our first one right at the top. Oop, and it says bats. So, what do you think this top report is going to be about? Probably about bats. Let's see. So, I'll read it to you and you guys listen to see if this sounds like a report. Bats have fur like dogs and cats. They also have wings. Bats can fly fast. Now, does that sound like new information about bats? Right. So, this right here where it says bats at the top, this is actually our title. So our title is bats, and then it gives us three facts or different information about our bats. So now I'm going to think of a different animal. Oh, I know, squirrels. So let's see, squirrels have fur. Squirrels live in trees. Some squirrels are brown. Some squirrels are gray. So I have my title at the top, which would be squirrels. Then I did 4 facts about my squirrels. So what we are going to start working on next week, we are going to write a report about an animal. But we're not doing that till next week. So we have to keep working on what are in reports and what we can write about. So I want you guys thinking about an animal that you guys would like to write a report about starting next week. You don't have to do it this week, but we'll talk about that more later. So now we have this little box down here at the bottom. And it has a blank up here at the title. So we don't know what animal our report is about. So I'm going to read you the facts or the different information that is in our report, and I want to see if we can figure out maybe what will go up there. Can you guys help me? All right, let's hear what our report says. Spiders have 8 legs. Most spiders spin webs. Spiders trap flies in their webs. So, if this one was about bats and it gave us a whole bunch of different bat facts, this one we don't know what it's about, but it gave us a whole bunch of facts about spiders. What do you guys think this report is about? Yes, you guys are super smart cookies. It is about spiders. So Mrs. Hanson is going to write spiders at the top. Now the one thing that's really important with titles when you're writing reports or any kind of papers or anything, the first letter of the word needs to be capitalized. So Mrs. Hanson is going to capitalize her S in spiders, and then the rest of my letters are going to be all lowercase. So just like this, I want you to write in spiders because spiders will be our title for our second report that we have on our paper. We have bats, spiders, and then Mrs. Hanson talked about squirrels. So when you are writing a report, you have different information or facts. So when we are writing a report, say we want to write a report about, we can do squirrels again. Let's see. So I had that they're gray, they're brown, they live in trees, and they're furry. Would I say squirrels are so cute? Is that a fact or is that true? It might be true. We might think squirrels are cute, but some people might not think squirrels are cute. So would that be something we'd put in our report? No, it wouldn't be something that would be put in a report because we're doing information or facts. If I think squirrels are cute, that's my opinion. Remember we talked about opinion a lot? Your opinion doesn't need to be right or wrong. It's just what you think or maybe even other people think, but not everybody think that and thinks that. So we wouldn't put that they're cute. We wouldn't put that my squirrel's name is Peanut because I mean that's something that but that's not something or all squirrels names are called Peanut. That's not true, right? That's just something that you did that's your opinion or something that you had that all squirrels names aren't Peanut. We could have kinds of different names for squirrels that people name their squirrels that they have in their yard, right? So that's what we want to think about when we are thinking about an animal that we want to write for our report. Because Mrs. Hanson is going to have you guys writing a report next week. Did you guys think that you'd be doing that? Because you got to be getting ready for first grade. And first graders do a lot more than the kindergartners. And I know you guys are already ready because Mrs. Hanson's been helping you all year become smarter and smarter kids. And I know since talking to a lot of you guys last week, you guys are super ready for this. So we talked about bats, spiders, and squirrels, and about reports. Remember, they're facts or different information that we would put in there. So I hope you guys liked learning a little bit more about reports, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Bye, guys.